Hello there, and welcome to the Procoat tutorial video series. I will be your guide throughout these videos. And for today's video, we'll be looking at a lovely pair of wireless Bluetooth earpods. As you can see from the image right here, this is what the item looks like. And here is a little sneak peek at the item itself. Okay, here you can see it. Alright, let's unbox this little guy. Let's unbox it. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, here it is. Here is the manual, as you can see. Okay, and here is the item itself. Just let's take a little good look at it. Of course, right here, you have the charger cable. Fair enough. This right here is the wire type. And now here, let's remove this person. Ooh. Okay. Let's put that down here. Let's remove this person. Look at that design. Just look at how sleek it is. It's sleek, it's gorgeous, it's brilliant. And of course, flick it open. There you have your earpods. And the best part about them is, as mentioned in the name, they're wireless. So no need to worry about the wires getting tangled or anything along those lines. And one of the best features about them is their touch. Meaning, if you are listening to music, simply tap it once, you can pause the song. Tap it again, you can play the song. If you're receiving a phone call, tap it, you'll answer. Tap it again, you'll hang up. If you want to reject a call, if it's someone you find annoying, or if you're busy and you don't have the time for a phone call, long press it. It will reject the phone call. Simple as that. Quite convenient, if I say so myself. Now, as for the battery time, it will last you up to 4 hours each pod. And the best part is, this casing right here, it's also a power bank. So, if you do need to charge your earpods, simply just put them back in. It will charge them for you. But of course, this being a power bank, you do have to charge the power bank. No two ways about it. The power bank itself will take you up to 5 days to fully charge. The earpods themselves, individually, each one will take you 40 to 50 minutes to charge. But it'll last you quite some time. Like I said, it will last you up to 4 hours, give or take. And now, of course, we also have the casing. The casing right here, it's for the power bank. Simply look it back in. Convenient. You can carry it around with you wherever you wish. And of course, you can hang it from this little thing right here. Place it right there. Hang it on anything you wish. Simple enough, if I say so myself. And the best part about this casing right here, fingerprint proof. So there'll be no traces of your fingerprints or anyone else's anywhere on this. And now we'll show you how you can connect this little item, your brand new earpods, to your mobile phones. If you just so happen to be an Apple user, simply flick this open, give it just a moment, and there it is, a pop-up for your brand new earpods. Just unlock to connect, and it is connecting. Simple as that. Done. Oh, and you see, right here, and now, as you can see right here, the battery life and the charge for both the power bank and the earpods, well, you can see how much charge is remaining on your items. 80% right now for the power bank, 100% for the earpods. If you ever need to check just to be sure, well, here's how you can do it if you're an Apple user. Thank you so much for watching our little video. Please hit the like button if you found this video useful. And do subscribe and stick around for more from Procoat.